Right, today I'm going to be telling you how you can get Diggy Hole onto your phone as a ringtone. You're going to want to go to the link I have down in the description. It's a mega upload website. You're going to wait for the 45 seconds and then click regular download. Save it to your desktop and simply drag it out of your phone after you connect it. Or you could go to phonezoo.com, make an account, and make a ringtone. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you don't know anything about PhoneZoo, you can go on my channel. It'll be in the description below or on the screen itself, as you can see in the bottom left. Just click that box, and you can figure out how to use PhoneZoo. So I hope you learned something. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future. May the force be with you. Thank you.